Think about my dog, boy, they don't bullshit. They attack some shit and kill it. You get it? There he is. Get him. Get him. Get him, Max. There he goes. My dog will eat your ass alive, son. Fuck around in my fence if you want to. Yeah, drag your ass everywhere. Get him. Get him. Get it, get it, get it, girl. Get him, uh-oh. Get him, girl. Get him. That son of a bitch is bloody, boy. There to go, boy. Matt, get him, boy. Fuck around this fence if you want to. What you doing, oh? You ain't got the taste of blood, ain't you? I got fucking piss ants all over my feet. Damn! Are you tired, dude? You got his ass, didn't you? Huh? Oh, my dog will get your ass. Alright, that's enough. Watch out. That's enough. Let him go. Move. Quick, girl. I got a briar on my foot. Let him go, man. That's enough, man. That's enough torture, man. Let him go, man. Let him go. Quit. No. No. Let him go, man. Let him go, man. Boy. Never mind. They won't let me get him. Watch out, man. Let me get him, man. Trying to save him, man. Damn, you just crunched him. Hey, man, y'all gonna let me have him? Well, that motherfucker got the jaws of. Ah. Never mind. What are you doing? Little girl, you mean. You're a mean little girl. Let me have that thing, man. Let me get the claws on that thing. Everybody let me have him. Dang. Let me have that thing. Hell no, she ain't going for that. That's a bad son of a bitch there, boy. You're a bad motherfucker. Mac, you caught that son of a bitch, didn't you, boy? Huh? And they motherfucking taking care of the easy shit. Let me have that thing, man. Let me get that thing, man. They won't let me pick it up. They won't let me have it, man. It is what it is. Baby about to massacre that motherfucker.